Well, here's my tomatoes a few days later. Some of them didn't survive the transplant. Got a few, so we're going to keep them growing, give them some water. The old deadly dihydrogen monoxide. See how they do. I doubt these are coming back, but we'll water them anyway. There's only one or two alive over here. Might be too warm in here. They're pretty heavy, like they're wet, but well, there they are. These are the best ones so far. Starting to grow their second set of leaves, so you know they're taking off. That's good. Well, that's it for that update. See you later.